Welcome back to AmericaTech. In this episode of Getting Started with Power BI, we'll explore how to connect data sources and bring your data into Power BI. In the last episode, we learned how to design an effective dashboard that turns data into insight. But before any dashboard can work, Power BI needs something very important: reliable data. Today, we'll learn how to connect Power BI to different data sources and prepare them for analysis. Power BI can connect to many different types of data sources. These may include Excel spreadsheets, databases, cloud services, online platforms. The goal is to bring your data together in one place so you can analyze it, visualize it, and turn it into meaningful insights. Let's begin by connecting to a simple data source. Step 1. Open the Get Data menu. In Power BI Desktop, click Get Data from the Home ribbon. This menu displays many available data sources you can connect to. Step 2. Select a data source. For this example, we'll connect to an Excel file. Select Excel, then browse to your file location and open it. Power BI will display a preview of the tables and sheets available in that file. Step 3. Load the data. Select the table you want to import, then choose Load to bring the data directly into Power BI. Sometimes the data we import needs a little cleaning. Power BI includes a powerful tool called the Power Query Editor. This tool allows you to remove unnecessary columns, rename fields, change data types, filter rows, combine multiple data sets. Step 1. Open Power Query Editor. After selecting your data, click Transform Data instead of Load. This opens the Power Query Editor. Step 2. Remove unnecessary columns. Identify columns that are not needed for analysis. Select those columns, right-click, and choose Remove Columns to simplify your data set. Step 3. Rename fields. Double-click on column headers to rename them into clear, meaningful names. This makes your data easier to understand when building reports. Step 4. Change data types. Check each column's data type, text and number, date. Use the drop-down in the column header to correct any mismatches. Accurate data types ensure correct calculations and visuals. Step 5. Filter rows. Use the filter icon on columns to remove unwanted or irrelevant data. For example, you can filter out blank values or limit data to a specific region or time period. Step 6. Combine data. If you have multiple data sets, use merge queries or append queries to combine them into one unified table. Step 7. Apply changes. Once all transformations are complete, click Close and Apply to load the clean data into Power BI. Now let's talk about combining data from different sources. Imagine a company tracking sales performance. Sales data might come from several places: Excel reports from regional teams, a central SEAL database, online CRM systems. Power BI can connect to each of these sources and combine them into a single data model. Once combined, that data can power reports, dashboards, and analytics. That's it for a brief introduction on how to handle data ingestion. We discussed how to connect data to Power BI by opening the Get Data menu, connecting to an Excel data source, loading data into Power BI, and using the Power Query Editor to clean and prepare data. Remember, strong insights always begin with well-prepared data. Now that we know how to connect data sources, the next step is learning how to structure and model that data effectively. In our next episode, we'll explore data modeling in Power BI, building relationships between tables, and how a well-designed data model improves your analytics. If this video helped you understand how to connect data sources in Power BI, like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Have questions about working with data in Power BI? Leave them in the comments. We may feature them in a future episode. Thanks for watching AmericaTech. See you next time.